In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a custom attribute. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Teamwork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permission to do this. Then click on Organization. You should arrive at your Organization's Settings page. Go to your new top menu bar and click on Custom. From the drop-down menu, choose Attributes. You should arrive at your Attributes page. Before creating a new attribute, choose the section of TeamWork 5 you want the attribute to apply to. So click the arrow under Attributes. You can choose to create an attribute for an employee, a station, a client, a location, or a shift. I'm going to choose Employee. As you can see, Employee already has 3 attributes. To make a new one, click the Add button in the upper right-hand corner. First, give your attribute a name. I'm going to say Time. Then decide on your attribute type. If I leave this blank, there will be a blank box next to this attribute that I will need to fill out. Otherwise, I can click the arrow next to Input Type. I can choose to create a number, date, or time attribute. I'm going to choose time. I could have also created my own custom pattern. Then choose whether or not employees have access to this attribute. If I click the arrow next to Employee Access, I can choose that they can't see this attribute at all, that they can view it, or they can edit it themselves. I'm going to choose View. If you're happy with your new attribute, click Save. And now that attribute has been created. To view your attribute, you need to go to that section's information page. So I'm going to go to the top menu bar and click on Teamwork. Then choose Employees. Select a specific employee whose attributes you want to view. Next, click on Attributes at the top of this chart. Right now, this employee doesn't have any. So I'm going to go ahead and click Add. Now I can select an attribute to view. Notice this first attribute is Restaurant Experience, and I have to enter in the date plus a number and any notes. If I click the arrow next to Attribute and choose Time, you'll see that the number option has changed to time. So for this attribute, I can add dates, time, and notes. This is the one we just created. If I click the arrow next to Attribute again and choose Specialty Drinks, you'll see that that time option has changed to date. That's because for this one, date was selected next to the attribute. And finally, if I click this arrow one more time and choose Student, you'll see there's a text option. This is an attribute that was left blank, nothing was filled in there. That creates an empty text box that you can then fill out with whatever you want to. That's how you can add and view custom attributes in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to edit, delete, and clear custom attributes.